Before anyone panics, let me clear something up right away. Pacman's not leaving Drunk Monkey Garage. This isn't some dramatic breakup. Nobody threw a wrench across the shop. Nobody stormed out. And fortunately, no bikes were harmed in the making of this announcement. What we're doing is actually pretty simple. We're organizing the content better so that people that come here for motorcycle maintenance and repair tips get exactly that. And the people who want custom paint, all the crazy stuff I do, and paint tutorials, they'll have a place to go to for that too. That place is going to be Pacman's Paint Shack. Hey everybody, welcome back to Drunk Monkey Garage. Today's video is going to be a little different. We're not going to be tearing into a primary cover or changing oil or trying to convince myself that one more coat of clear is a great idea. Today we're talking about the future of the channel, what's changing, and where the paint related content is going to go from here. And honestly, it's a good thing. Over the years, Drunk Monkey Garage has had a mix of content. We've had motorcycle repairs, maintenance videos, garage projects, bike-related stuff. But we've also had a lot of paint content. Custom paint projects, graphics, tips, tutorials, and all the behind-the-scenes stuff that make parts look right. And that content has turned into its own thing. A lot of people found this channel through the paint videos. Some of you found us because of the crystal paint tutorials. Others found us because of the Fat Bob project. And still others found us when we did the Street Glide project. And first of all, I want to thank each and every one of you. Seriously. That kind of support is exactly why we're able to make this move. But at the same time, we do know that not everybody who subscribes to Drunk Monkey Garage is here for the paint content. Some people want to see how to maintenance their motorcycle. Others want to see repair videos. Some people want to see how-to videos, service tips, and bike projects. And still others are here to see paint guns, masking tape, clear coat, buffing, and me questioning every life choice I made in the middle of a project. Those are two different audiences. There's some overlap for sure, but they're not exactly the same. So instead of trying to cram all that content into one channel and hope YouTube can figure out who wants to watch what, we're going to try to make it a little bit cleaner and easier for people to find the content they're looking for. So going forward, the Drunk Monkey Garage channel is going to focus strictly on motorcycle maintenance and repair related videos. That means things like service work, repairs, maintenance tips, bike upgrades, garage projects, general motorcycle content that fits the Drunk Monkey brand. So if you're here because you want to see bikes get worked on, maintained, upgraded, or diagnosed, then you're still in the right place. That part's not going away. In fact, this should help Drunk Monkey Garage become more focused and easier to follow. Going forward, you're going to know exactly what kind of content to expect from Drunk Monkey Garage. Now all the paint-related content is moving over to Pacman's Paint Shack. That channel will be dedicated to the painting side of things. Paint techniques, tutorials, graphics, candy flake, crystal effects, all the stuff you've gotten to know me, Pacman, for. Pacman's Paint Shack is where the paint content can grow and breathe without snuffing out all the bike maintenance videos from Drunk Monkey Garage. Each category is going to have its own home now, which makes a lot more sense. That means if you're into custom paint, whether you're a professional, a hobbyist, a bike owner, or just somebody who likes to see a pile of parts turn into something cool, then we're building that channel especially for you. And again, I want to be really clear about this. I'm not leaving Drunk Monkey Garage. I'm still going to be involved, and the friendship is still there. It's about giving each type of content its own place to live. Drunk Monkey Garage is the home for the motorcycle maintenance and repair side of things, and Pacman's Paint Shack will be the home for the paint side of things. This should also make things better for you guys watching. If you subscribe to Drunk Monkey Garage for maintenance and repair videos, you won't have your feed filled with a 6-part series on paint pricing or custom graphics. And if you subscribe to Pacman's Paint Shack, you won't have to dig through all the maintenance and repair videos to find the custom paint projects. Everybody gets a cleaner experience. The content becomes easier to follow, and the channels become easier to understand. And hopefully YouTube will have a better understanding of who to send these videos out to. So here's what we're asking. If you like the motorcycle repair and maintenance content, stay subscribed right here at Drunk Monkey Garage. That content will continue here. But if you also want to follow the paint projects, tutorials, and custom motorcycle paint jobs, head on over to Pacman's Paint Shack and subscribe there. That's where that content will be going forward. We'll make sure the link is in the description. And if you've been following the paint content on this channel for a while, I'd appreciate it if you come over and help get the new channel going. It helps a lot, and we appreciate it more than you know. I'd also like to say thank you to everyone who has supported the paint content on Drunk Monkey Garage up to this point. The likes, comments, questions, and encouragement from you guys is what helped turn the paint side into something that deserves its own channel. That means a lot, and this move lets us do more of that. More detailed paint jobs, more tutorials, more honest behind the scenes stuff, and more content for people that want to see plain, unfinished parts turn into something that'll actually turn heads. So that's the update. Drunk Monkey Garage isn't going anywhere. Pacman's still going to be around. The paint content is just moving to its own shop. Going forward, Drunk Monkey Garage will be your home for motorcycle repair, maintenance, and garage builds. Pacman's Paint Shack will be your home for custom paint, tutorials, paint care, and techniques. 2 channels, 2 focused audiences, same Drunk Monkey family. And hopefully, a better viewing experience for everybody watching. So make sure you're subscribed here at Drunk Monkey Garage for all the repair and maintenance content. Then head over to Pacman's Paint Shack and subscribe there for all the custom painting content. Thanks again for all of your support. We appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, cheers.